In front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and clicking on one of your albums. When you're ready, hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple right away, click on one select at the top. Then click on Select All. If you wish to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen one. And then to delete the rest, use those three dots at the top right corner. So when I do that, and tap on Delete in the pop-up, and confirm my choice in the other one, I can see that all of my pictures were successfully selected and deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!